Hello all of you, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss short question answer First Flight book chapter 1st, a letter to God. Here we will see the first question. What did Lancho hope for? Your answer: Lancho hoped for rains as the only thing that is field of ripe corn needed a shower. Okay. Here Lancho also hoped for rains as the only thing that field also ripe corn needed a shower. Here we will see the second question. Why did Lancho say the raindrops were like new coins? Lancho's crops were ready for harvest as raindrops would have helped in getting a better harvest, resulting in more prosperity. So Lancho compared them with a new coins. Here Lancho's crop were ready for harvest, but raindrops would help in getting a better harvest. So here Lancho compared them with a new coins. Okay. Here we will see the third question. How did the rain change? What happened to Lancho's field? The rain was pouring down, but suddenly a strong wind began to blow, and very large hailstones began to fall along with the rain. All the crop in Lancho's fields destroyed. When the rain began to fall, but suddenly a strong wind began to blow, and very large hailstones began to fall along with the rain. All the crop in Lancho's field destroyed. Here we will see the fourth question. What were Lancho's feelings when the hail stopped? Answer: after hail stopped, Lancho's soul was filled with sadness. He could see a bleak future for him and his family. He was worried about lack of food for the coming year because in this time the Lancho's crop were destroyed by hailstones. So that's why he is worried about then what will happen. There is no food to eat. What will happen to my family and what will happen to me? Okay, this coming year. Here we will see the next question. Who or what did Lancho have faith in? What did he do? In this question, who or what did Lancho have a faith in? It means he have a faith in God, and then what did he do? Okay, we will see the answer, then we will understand. Lancho had faith in God. He believed that God's eyes see everything. He believed that the God eyes see everything. Okay, nothing is escaped from God. Okay, we will continue answer. Even what is deep in one's conscience, if there is anything is deep, that also God knows everything. He wrote a letter to God saying that he needed 100 pesos to sow his field again. Here Lancho have a faith in God, so he wrote a letter to God that he asked 100 pesos to feed his family as well as to sow his field again. Okay. Here we will see the next question. Who read the letter? Who read the letter? Postmaster read the letter. But who got the letter? One of the employee who was a postman and also help at the post office. Okay, that postman got the letter, then he handed to postmaster. Then postmaster read that letter. The letter was written by Lancho. Here we will see the next question. What did the postmaster do then? The postmaster first laughed, but then he became serious. He was deeply moved by the writer's faith in God. He did not want to shake this faith, so he decided to collect the money and send it to Lancho. When the postmaster read the letter, that time he laughed. After that he became serious and he was deeply moved by the writer's faith in God. So he decided to help that. He gives some amount from his salary and collect money from his employees and ask from his friends also as an act of charity. Then that he collected the 70 pesos, then he sent the money to Lencho. Here we will see the next question. Was Lencho surprised to find a letter for him with money in it? No, Lencho was not at all surprised to see the letter from God with money inside it. His confidence and faith in God was such that he had expected that reply from God. Here Lencho didn't surprise when he got money inside the letter because he knew that God will give me reply and he will send me money. Okay. Here we will see the next question. What made him angry? Here that Lencho become angry. So what made him angry? We will see the answer. When he finished counting money, he found only 70 pesos, but he demanded 100 pesos. He was confident that God could neither make a mistake nor deny him that he had requested. Therefore, he concluded that the post office employee must have taken the remaining 30 pesos. When Lencho counted all money, he understood that there is only the 70 pesos, but he asked from God 100 pesos. And Lencho was confident that God could neither make a mistake nor deny him. And he concluded that the post office employee must have taken the remaining 30 pesos. I hope all of you understood these question answer in a better way. Okay, bye. Then see you in the next video.